Hello everyone, my name is Samira Gupta. I'm an image consultant and a life coach and an executive presence coach. Today I will talk about how to be a good leader. A good leader needs a lot of preparation and a lot of traits, but today we will give you 5 tips. And the first tip is that you should communicate more frequently with your team members. Communication is the backbone of any relationship. It defines our lives from the birth till death. And communication is absolutely an important element in creating great relationships and creating trust. So communicate more frequently with your team members. Tip number 2 is you have to learn to ask good questions. Just telling is not selling. So if you just give instructions and you're telling them what to do, that may or may not work because you're not sure whether they have bought it from you. Now, the whole concept of selling your idea and selling what you want them to do is the art of asking good questions. And if you ask enough, then you shall receive. Okay, so learn to ask good questions rather than just telling them what to do. Tip number 3 is appreciate, recognize, and use their name in your conversation a lot. Okay, genuine appreciation and recognition will go a long way in creating trust in you by your employees, and using their name in the conversation is going to be an excellent tool because the sweetest sound in the world is your name. So if you use their name, it becomes a personal communication, and that can take the whole conversation into a very positive direction and create a great relationship between you and your teammates. The other thing I want to tell you is that you should not nag your team members. You should not, if you have found something that they have not done right, there is a way to talk and reach, a point where they understand that they have done something wrong. So it's all about giving a good feedback. So learn how to give good feedback in a positive, constructive manner. And you can use the burger method, start with something nice, then come to the critical point, and then close again with a positive. Okay, so if you give the feedback in this manner without using the you statement, then you are actually going to convey the message very clearly and very positively. So constructive feedback is very important. And do not nag. Allow them to save face. Everybody makes mistakes. It's okay. Yeah. And the best thing is that I would like every leader to connect with their team members at the heart level. So we all use a lot of our head at the workplace, which is fine. IQ is important, but EQ is equally important. And I would say in today's world when we're living with so much external negativity, it is more important to practice emotional intelligence rather than just IQ. So speak to them in the right tone, in the right manner, use their name a lot, do not nag them, communicate frequently, and make sure that you're connecting with them at the heart level. I wish you all the best. Thank you.